W1 Pro. Meet the Lithelli E-Wagon W1 Pro, the world's first electric utility wagon. It's powered by a removable lithium-ion battery and can handle up to 60 kg of cargo load. This wagon is designed for convenience. It folds and unfolds with ease, making it a breeze to store and transport. Plus, it's got a built-in 500-watt motor to assist you in moving those heavy loads effortlessly. The magic lies in the U-Battery Plus, a powerful 20,000 mAh power bank that keeps the wagon rolling for up to 30 minutes, 3.4 kilometers straight. And it's not just for the wagon. It can power your other devices too, thanks to the 45-watt Type-C port and 18-watt USB-A port. Need more? There are accessories available like a cooler, canopy, and cargo net to cater to your specific needs. GoSun. The GoSun is an innovative inflatable electric boat that offers a unique experience on open waters. It features drop-stitch technology and a lightweight design, making it both rugged and sleek. The e-Propulsion Spirit Evo electric motor provides 1.3 kW per 3 horsepower. Short shaft propeller ensures a clean and silent journey, cutting ties with fossil fuels and embracing the sun's energy with its solar 200 watts and MPPT controller for extended cruising. The L-Cat Splash is designed to be easy to navigate with center console controls, making it suitable for both seasoned captains and young enthusiasts. The boat can carry over 1,300 pounds with ease, and it can be charged via grid power or bask in the sun's rays. With room for up to 6 passengers, the L-Cat Splash is a passport to aquatic adventures and a whisper-quiet journey into the heart of nature. It's not just a boat, but a lifestyle upgrade that takes boating to a whole new level. Outrider Coyote. The Outrider Coyote 4-wheel drive is a compact electric quad that offers a unique blend of performance and accessibility. It features plush, long travel front and rear air shock suspension, making it suitable for both physically disabled and able-bodied riders alike. It functions as an extremely capable all-terrain wheelchair. The Coyote offers 2 drive systems, a 3,000-watt mid-drive system for sporty trails or heavier loads, and a 5,000-watt hub motor 4W drive system for hunters and extreme off-roaders. Its powerful 1,512 watt-hour lithium-ion battery provides a range of up to 20 to 30 miles per charge, and an optional of 3 more battery pack, boosting the range to 80 until 140 miles. The Coyote's versatility makes it an ideal off-road wheelchair for those with physical disabilities. It also offers solar charging capability and the ability to add up to 3 more modular battery packs, ensuring a wide range of outdoor exploration. The Coyote is where mobility meets adventure, providing an unparalleled level of freedom and fun for all. Ryse Recon. The Ryse Recon is an ultralight electric vertical takeoff and landing that revolutionizes personal flight. This one-passenger multi-copter aircraft requires no pilot's license and offers a top speed of 63 miles per hour and a range of 25 miles. Equipped with 6 propellers and electric motors, it effortlessly takes off and lands on both land and water, offering access to locations not accessible by other aircraft. The Recon's ease of operation is a standout feature, with advanced AI assistance, simplifying piloting and real-time adjustments to the flight path. The patent-pending removable battery system further enhances user convenience. The Recon is not just a vehicle, it's a step toward democratizing personal flight, offering new possibilities for adventure, exploration, and efficient transportation. Whether a thrill seeker or aspiring aviator, the Recon offers a glimpse into a future where flying is both accessible and exhilarating. CityQ. This revolutionary 4-wheeled electric drive e-bike that revolutionizes urban transport with its capacity, comfort, efficiency, and safety. With a cargo capacity of under 2 cubic meter and a maximum weight capacity of 170 kg, the CityQ offers a modular design with multiple storage compartments. Its full weather protection ensures comfort and protection from elements. The CityQ also features car-like seating and an optional seat belt, as well as front and rear lights, turning signals, and side mirrors. Its sustainable edge is its 130-kilometer range and swappable battery system. By replacing traditional fans with CityQ, you can contribute to a 75% reduction in congestion and parking, a 90% decrease in CO2 emissions, and a 100% reduction in the need for car charging. Join the urban mobility revolution with CityQ, where efficiency meets sustainability for a cleaner, greener future. 310 SL Backhoe. John Deere 310 SL Backhoe is a powerful and versatile machine designed for excavation and construction tasks. With a net peak power of up to 98 horsepower, it can handle demanding jobs with its 14 feet standard dipper stick digging depth. The machine's 15,000-pound operating weight ensures stability and durability on the job site. The auto ride control system, which adjusts ground speed settings to activate ride control, enhances operator comfort and reduces spillage. The auto shift transmission setting optimizes gear shifts for peak performance, making the operator's job easier and more efficient. The 310 SL also incorporates advanced technologies to improve fuel efficiency and lift capacity. The economy mode reduces fuel consumption during lighter work applications, while the lift mode increases lift capacity by up to 15%. The redesigned loader control valve, loader lever linkage, and pressure-compensated load-sensing hydraulics contribute to smoother operation, reduce leakage, and improve overall performance. PC210-LCE Electric. The Komatsu electric excavator, developed in collaboration with Proterra, is a powerful and eco-friendly solution for the construction industry. It features a lithium-ion battery with a capacity of 451 kWh battery, coupled with a 123 kWh, 165 horsepower electric motor power plant, allowing up to 8 hours of operation. Amazingly, it only takes 3 hours of charge time with a 150 kilowatt charger. The excavator reduces operator fatigue, lowers surrounding noise levels, and contributes to sustainability efforts with zero exhaust emissions, making it suitable for urban and indoor environments. The PC210-LCE is suitable for nighttime construction work both indoors and outdoors, and its advanced guidance technology allows operators to access 2D and 3D design data for precise operation. The innovative design, powerful Proterra battery size, and extreme operating time make it a forward-looking solution in the construction equipment market. Manitowoc. This exceptional 6-axle crane boasts incredible strength and versatility, seamlessly taking on tasks that often demand even larger models. Rigging is a breeze with the self-rigging Mega Wing lift system, ensuring you're up and running in under 20 minutes. With a lifting capacity of 400 tons, its hydraulic system has been enhanced for quicker flow, translating into faster operational speeds and smoother movements. The inclusion of Manitowoc's CCS ensures peak performance, while the addition of max-base variable outrigger positioning enhances capacity on the main boom. Whether it's a luffing jib, fixed jib, or the self-rigging Mega Wing lift, this crane offers versatile configurations to meet the demands of various lifting applications. Boasting a 15.4 to 16-meter main boom and optional luffing or fixed jibs, the GMK 6400-1 presents a powerhouse of reach and lifting potential. Its 12x8x12 Mega Drive configuration provides impressive drive and steer capabilities, and the latest generation Grove Carrier Cap guarantees optimal comfort for the operator. With Manitowoc's commitment to innovation and efficiency, the GMK 6400-1 is redefining what a heavy-duty all-terrain crane can achieve. Subscribe!